2016, where we had received 4,250 complaints from 420 residents. Of those, the top three cities that submitted complaints were from the cities of Sunnyvale, Saratoga, and San Jose, with Sunnyvale issuing 2,949 complaints. During that month, we were at 48 aircraft violated our curfew. Those 30 of them were mechanicals. The remainder of them were due to weather and air traffic control. Moving forward to November, total complaints doubled to 8,761 complaints from 365 residents. In the top two cities submitting complaints were Sunnyvale and Saratoga. Sunnyvale issued 7,596 out of those 8,761. So then, that month we had fewer curfew intrusions. We had 16 mechanicals, a medical emergency, and the remainder again, weather and air traffic control. We did issue 2 citations to aircraft that violated curfew. One was issued to Swiftair, the sports charter for the Chicago Blackhawks. It's going to be 2 overtime versus the Sharks. And one was issued to Delta Airlines, another charter for the Anaheim Ducks. They had late boarding. For December, there's another increase in total complaints to 26,490. Of those 26,000, 25,046 were from the city of Sunnyvale. We had another increase for the city of Cupertino, who increased to 695 complaints, followed by Palo Alto, with 61. During the month of December, we had 163 total violations into SJC curfew. We had 58 were mechanical, another 68 were air traffic control delays and weather at Oregon airports and San Jose due to the winter weather. We did that month, the remainder 37 citations were issued. 2 main citations, we issued 20 citations to Delta Airlines. Towards the end of the month, they had a scheduling error that caused 2 of their late night departures to be scheduled past curfew. So we had 2 Embraers that were departing after the 11:30 p.m. curfew. We also issued 8 to UPS. They had extra flights that they were doing due to the holidays. They had extra work, and so they flew 8 flights past curfew. All 8 were issued citations. Just the remainder, we issued 3 to Southwest Airlines, 2 to Alaska Airlines, 2 to Swiftair for a University of Utah charter, 1 to Sun Country, also University of Utah, and then 1 final one to Air Canada when the Edmonton Oilers went into overtime again because of the Sharks. So this last month in January, another doubling of noise complaints to 44,045 total complaints from 376 residents. Of those 44,000, 40,000 were from the city of Sunnyvale, and another increase from the city of Cupertino with 2,592 complaints. And looks like in January we had 150 aircraft violating SJC curfew. 50 of them were mechanical, 51 were weather related, and 1 medical emergency. We had 13 aircraft that were non-compliant that we issued citations to. 5 were issued to Delta. 3 of them were due to the December scheduling issue. We did contact Delta to advise them that their route planners, to advise them they were violating curfew frequently, and after January 1st, that ended. We issued 2 citations to the Detroit Red Wings, 2 to JetBlue Airways, 2 to Alaska Airlines, 1 to Southwest Airlines, and 1 was issued to Copa Airlines. It was a San Francisco diversion due to weather. And that brings us up to the end of January. We don't have figures yet compiled for February.
So just out of curiosity, that last one that you talked about, the Copa Airlines, where it's diverted from San Francisco, it almost seems wrong that we're slamming these guys. They're in the air, they can't land in San Francisco, they've got to land somewhere. I'm just kind of trying to understand the thought behind it, how the citations work, because, just stuck out when you said, well, they were diverted from San Francisco.
So yeah, the diversions of, if an aircraft is exempt, if it's due to whether it's mechanical or air traffic delays, I can look at the specifics of this one and find out what the specifics are.
Commissioner, one of the things that I would say to you is that each of those citations that we do issue, each of the operators has the opportunity to bring a citation to commission and make their case to you, and you can move on with it. You do have a final say on that. If we make a mistake, issue one that you don't believe that it should be.
Right, no, I'm not saying that it should or shouldn't be, I'm just, for our benefit, trying to understand, how something like a diverted flight, would fall into the citation category. That's the only thing that I was trying to put together. Is it just the fact that they were diverted from San Francisco because they couldn't land there and they had to land here late, so that generates a citation, or is there anything else that goes into it?
I don't have the specifics, sorry.
Okay, thank you.
I have a question. Are the citations issued across the board, and then if they approve it, it would be, the time that they would bring it before the commission to question particular circumstances? So in other words, if everybody's over curfew, they get, fined.
So there's I'm sorry, I have to apologize. I think the last time we were here, I talked about having a cold, and this time I'm here, I have a head cold and I've got a ear infection, so I'm not hearing very well this evening. If I understood the question correctly, though, is there are intrusions into the airport, right? Not all of those are necessarily a violation of the program. They could have ATC delays, mechanical or weather issues, so those would be exempt from curfew. The way the program works, though, is when we see that they've had an intrusion into the curfew program, we send them paperwork, and they basically rationalize why they were late coming into the airport, and give us the rationale why they were. Based on the information that they provide to us, we determine whether or not we need to issue a citation.
And then if they appeal, if you do issue it, they appeal it.
Correct. If we do issue a citation, they have 30 days to appeal that to us. They do have to go ahead and put down the money ahead of time, but then they would have the opportunity to come to the next commission meeting to actually have that.
Okay, great, thank you. Any other questions? Commissioner?
Just some insight on the COPA one. COPA did not respond, so they had that 10 days from the time that we sent the letter out to them. COPA never responded, so 5 municipal code would have to send.
And if I remember from previous, that's by mail, correct?
That is by mail.
And where is Copa Airlines headquartered?
It's way down in
It's South America or something like
I
that?
can't remember the name of it.
So,
Yeah, it is, but, yeah,
mail won't even get there in 10 days.
But just like the last noise complaint that we heard from the new Eastern Airlines, I believe it was, they could still appeal it after that 10 days. And as I recall,
The 10 days to actually file the paperwork
Yeah.
and respond to us.
So
that's by code, that's the deadline that's established. So unfortunately, the only way they can get to it from an airport perspective, our hands are kind of tied. So that's why we issued this one. And they would, in my mind, have an opportunity to appeal that and give that consideration.
Thank you.
Any comments from the public? Yeah.
I have a question about the curfew violation. So, out of all the citations, we see that the fine number are really minimal, and I don't expect that it has any influence on those intruders. So, is there any plan to enforce that curfew or increasing the fine number or the fine dollar amount or anything like that. Do we ever make any effort on that or not?
I think we accept your comment. And
Okay, I totally understand, right, yes, no response yet, right, yeah. All right, thank you.
yeah, thank you. Yeah.
I did want to mention something.
Yes, also, please fill out a card if you're going to speak. You could do it after.
Right, this was a question,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm okay with the question then, here?
It's not a question, we'll accept a comment. If you'd like to make
Oh.
a comment on the topic.
On this
Will that
topic.
allow me to still make a comment later? In other words, make my
Yes,
speech
if
later?
you'd like to make a comment later, please fill out a card, bring it up.
Okay,
Okay.
that's okay.
Okay, I think we need a motion to accept the report.
You look more
Can I ask one more question?
Yes,
So just to clarify, the fines are covered under San Jose Municipal Code, which is voted on by the city council. Would that be correct? And not established by this airport commission? Or am I, that's correct. Thank you very much for clarifying.
any other questions of the commission? Okay, we have a motion to accept the report, anyone's report? Robert makes the motion, seconded by Commissioner Lewis. Thank you. Okay. Pardon me?
Who's just seconding everything?
Oh,